Since 2009, I have crisscrossed America inspiring students. As I prepare myself, I get alone and recall my childhood growing up with no dad, and by the 7th grade having no hope for a bright future, and really just quitting on life. But on October the 20th, 2004, a man chose to believe in me when I didn't believe in myself. And because of that, I was able to stand up. My wounds became my wisdom, my pain became my purpose, and now I have the honor to believe in a generation and encourage them to believe in one another. My name is Dean Johnson, and I'm claiming my victory.
If you're gonna follow the crowd, find out where the crowd is going. Stop sacrificing who you are to please the crowd. Did you know you have gifts and talents and a personality inside of you that can do great things in this earth? Did you know you are born for a purpose? See, you're born an original, don't die a copy. Why in the world do you keep failing at trying to be somebody you're not when the best you'll ever be is number 2? When you could be the greatest success, being the only you that's ever lived. Real friends brag about your strengths and defend your weakness. That's a real friend. Real friends are those image makers, not image breakers. Anybody can tear somebody down with their words. Anybody can make somebody feel bad about who they are. Anybody can point out the flaws of others. But where are the people that are going to push others and lift them up to be the best that they can be? We want you to know when you go through your tough time, you have a family that's surrounding you. That if you can allow yourselves to respect one another and receive one another as you are, you'll see a change on this campus, a change in your school, and a change in your community. All because some young people chose to take a stand.
So what really got me, I'm about to cheer up again, so what really got me was how he kneeled on the ground.
That's life-changing.
Accept people for who they are and don't hurt them or say bad things about them.
He talked about like real life and real situations that each and every one of us students are dealing with to this day.
A lot of it I could relate to it. It was very inspirational.
I know my worth now. I know that I have motivation, that I want to go somewhere in life. It made me feel more good about myself, knowing where I stand.
Inspirational. Very inspirational.
I cried a lot. we all cried.
But
it was very really moving.
They explained how suicide isn't a way to turn.
I really got out of this assembly that you're always loved and that no matter what happens in your life, you should really try your hardest to succeed.
I like how he just made it feel like we mattered. I like he gave us a reason to keep going.